All right, welcome back to Toys Learning. I'm going to show you one of the best kept secrets in hunting, especially open range hunting, in big game country where you're out in open spaces and you are going to be sitting for long periods glassing or waiting on deer or animals to move in. And that's these turkey tom chairs. We used to sit on the ground and you'd get uncomfortable and you're fidgeting. And we tried the ones that's the flexible back where it's got like a little band between a butt pad and a back pad. But these turkey tom chairs have been a game changer. You can literally sit there for we'll sit there for 4 hours and you won't have to move, and you can just kind of take a little nap if you need to, but you can sit in there and basically blend into the background. I mean, we've been sitting in a tree line, a fence row kind of, and had 40 turkeys while we're wearing bright orange come up within about 30 yards of us and didn't even know we were there. Like I said, if you just sit still in these chairs for the most part and make slow movements, you can literally blend into the background and actually be comfortable and make hunting enjoyable. We've killed a lot of big deer out of these chairs. They're mobile. They move pretty, pack up pretty quick, and they're pretty lightweight. But they just make sitting there a lot more enjoyable. We've actually been sitting on a wheat terrace and had deer, literally like a doe, walk right between us and then head down and start feeding again in the wheat stubble down 40 yards in front of us. Didn't even know we were there. Didn't wind us, which is kind of surprising. But anyway, turkey tom chairs, if you're tired of sitting on the ground and getting cold and uncomfortable, pick one of these up. I think they're about $70 now, but I'll put a link in the description below. They're easy to pack in, easy to pack out. They fold pretty quietly, so you can move with a lot of stealth. And then we'll sit in them, and if we see some game, 200 yards out, we'll kind of get in a prone or get down where we can feel like we can make a good shot on the bipods or even get in a prone position. But they're a game changer, so pick you up some turkey tom chairs and have some success, and at least, if nothing else, make hunting a little more enjoyable and comfortable. You'll find yourself staying out in the field a lot longer. So thanks for watching.